Okay, workflow for today would be RTU replacements on the rooftop of the police station. And here we go. Okay, workflow for today. I got some major RTU replacements. I got two AON units being replaced on this rooftop. I got this train unit standalone for our gym area being replaced as well. I'll keep you updated. Okay, we're getting ready to rig this one up so we can lift them on out of here. Got my crew. They got everything all disconnected for the most part. Getting ready to drop the crane to pull these three units actually off and hoist these up, and then pull everything and start the testing, hook up the BMS controls, and we should be good. Okay, so we're gonna rig this smaller unit up first, haul them out, and then we'll do this one next, and then the one at the far end. That's what's going on. Okay, we're coming up with it now. So this is how it's done, baby. Okay, it's basically out with the old, in with the new. So we're hoisting the new unit up on the rooftop, and I'm gonna go up here and okay, replacement unit is being set on the curb adapter. Trying to position it properly. Okay, we're getting ready to haul the next one up. Hoist the next one up, I might say. It's gonna go into this hole over here. Wow, man. Okay, here we go. Second unit is being placed. There you go. There you go. Line up. Up. Now you just position it. And the rest is that I have my guys position it properly, and then I have my other crew come in and start hooking up everything. But this last unit, when it gets snatched out, it's going to be the same process as the unit right here that we're doing. Okay, the whole purpose of this effort is that the units were aged and they were on a long communication system, and we upgraded everything to BACnet, and that's pretty much a wrap. I'll be here to the very end to supervise the effort and make sure everything is up to snuff, as they say.
When it's all done,
Peace.
pay me.